Severe thunderstorm warning.
Thunderstorm warning for Callaway County, Eastern Harper County, Sumner County until 6:15 a.m.
Oh great, what's that going to be about?
5:26 a.m. Severe thunderstorms extended from 5 miles south of Douglas to near Gulf Springs to 11 miles west of Caldwell. Moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. You can expect 60 mile per hour wind gusts. Source, trained weather spotter.
Dad, stop it.
The following impacts are
Sorry.
expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Arkansas City, Winfield, Wellington, Malden, Belle Plaine,
It's 5:15 like God
Caldwell, Oxford,
dang morning.
Utah, Verdon, Argonia, South Haven, Dexter, Atlanta, Gulf Springs, Rock, Mayfield, Cambridge, Milan, and
You
Honeywell.
can shut up now.
This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 1 and 33.
Yeah, we got hit with 100-mile-an-hour winds earlier. Missed. So, we missed a second severe thunderstorm warning. Missed. So, that is alert number 2 and 3 for you. And remember, EAS compilation number 1. Tomorrow. See ya. Bye. We got another one.
The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood.
Oh, flash flood.
In Carson County until 11:30 a.m.
So I guess that is the start of EAS compilation number 1.
Much of the area with more rain expected this morning. You can expect life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding.
I guess this is EAS compilation number 1.
Following impacts are
Starting now.
life-threatening flash flooding of creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include McPherson, Lindsborg, Galva, Canton, Marquette, Windham, McPherson Airport, and Roxbury.
It's raining outside. You can see. This is the start of EAS compilation number 1. This ain't the main event though. This is the morning activity. We should expect to watch later today. More activity in the evening. I can open this for you. See what's going on. We're not under that flash flood warning. We've got...
The cartridge is it hot?
Yeah. So we got flash flood warning now. And 1 FL and 3 SVRs.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Callaway County until 6:30 a.m. At 5:36 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Winfield, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for southern
destructive.
Callaway County. You can expect 80 mile per hour wind.
80?
The warning was based on radar indications.
Ah!
The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. Locations impacted include Arkansas City, Winfield, Dexter, Gulf Springs, Maple City, and Strotherfield Airport. The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for Sedgwick County.
Severe thunderstorm warning is about to come in. There we go.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning
Great.
for Callaway County, southeastern Sedgwick County, southern Valley,
Oh, that's us.
northeastern Sumner County until 9:15 a.m.
Moderate risk.
At 8:12 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Belle Plaine, moving east at 50 miles per hour. You can expect 60 mile per hour wind gusts.
Okay.
The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations
So,
affected include Derby,
okay.
Winfield, Hayesville, Wellington,
Okay.
Mulvane, Rose Hill, Douglas, Belle Plaine, Oxford, Udall, Burden, Dexter, Atlanta, Latham, Rock, Cambridge, Winfield City Lake, Riverdale, and Wellington Airport. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 19 and 39. Here's a look at weather conditions at 8 a.m. Wichita had a thunderstorm. The temperature was 66, dew point 64, and the relative humidity was net. Moving east at 40 miles per hour. You can expect quarter-size hail. The warning was based on an emergency management report. At 2:38 p.m., quarter-size hail was reported 3 miles southeast of Sterling. The following
Here, just turn it off. It's not for us.
vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Hutchinson, McPherson, Inman. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern McPherson County, northern Reno County, southeastern Rice County until 4 p.m.
Great.
At 3:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm
Severe
was
thunderstorm.
located 7 miles south of Sterling, moving east at 35 miles per hour. You can expect quarter-size hail. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. Damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Hutchinson, South Hutchinson, Sterling, Nickerson, Abbeville, Willowbrook, and Hutchinson Airport. What?
Tornado watch.
Additional details. At 9:30 a.m. Tuesday, the stage was 7 feet. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late tomorrow morning to a crest of 25.6 feet tomorrow evening. It will then fall below flood stage early Thursday morning. Flood stage is 21 feet. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Slate Creek at Wellington. When? From Wednesday morning to tomorrow evening. Impacts at 19 feet.
When is that gonna come
Waters
in?
begin to overflow the banks. Minor lowland flooding can be expected along the creek. Additional details at 11:16 a.m.
I don't want to talk about flood. I want the tornado
The
watch.
river is expected to rise above flood stage tomorrow morning to a crest of 19.
We got that alert.
tomorrow morning.
Why isn't it going
It
off on
will
this?
then fall.
Oh, there it is. There it goes. Did that one go off? There we go.
The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 429, effective until
Tornado
10
watch.
p.m. This watch includes the following counties: Butler,
Oh,
Cowley,
shoot.
Harper, Cumin, Sedgwick, and
We're in
Sumner.
Butler.
Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and
Oh,
damaging
great.
winds.
We saw a severe thunderstorm watch yesterday.
Watch area.
Or last night.
While severe weather may not be imminent,
God,
persons should
dang
remain
it.
alert for rapidly
Gosh,
changing weather conditions.
You
and
saw
listen for later
friggin'
statements and possible warnings.
This 100-mile-an-hour winds yesterday. Now we're getting tornadoes.
Commercial radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 429.
Oh, they have the need to repeat it. So we got tornado watch. Severe thunderstorm warning. Severe thunderstorm warning. So I'm guessing that is 8 out of how many we have left. Severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Harper County. size hail and 60 mile per hour wind gusts.
There's the wind.
The warning was based
Under
on
moderate
radar
risk.
indications.
And a tornado watch.
The following impacts are expected. People and animals
Mainly for
outdoors will
wind.
be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Harper, Attica, Norwich, Danville, Freeport, Runnymede, and Crystal Springs. What? Minor flooding is forecast. Where? Cottonwood River near Florence.
Severe thunderstorm warning. I think.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Sedgwick County until 5:15 p.m. At 4:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Colwich, moving east at 30 miles per hour. You can expect 60 mile per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs.
This is
siding,
all
and
the
trees.
radios I have right now.
Locations impacted
There's a
include
moderate risk
Wichita, Park City,
for South Central
Valley Center,
Kansas and
Bel Air,
northern
Hayes,
Oklahoma.
Sedgwick, Colwich,
Like
Mount
Texas,
Hope,
Wichita,
Keachai, Danville, Bentley,
Dodge City a
Northeast
little bit.
Wichita, and Chamara Airport. This includes Interstate 135 between mile markers 9 and 22.
It's perfectly sunny here. We're not even under warning yet.
The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 429. This one.
Severe thunderstorm warning.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Reno County, Sedgwick County, eastern Kingman County, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles northwest of Cheney, moving east at 30 miles per hour. You can expect 60 mile per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Okay.
The warning
There's
was
a
based
super
on
solid
radar
southwester here.
indications. The following impacts
We're
are
to make go
expected.
tornado.
Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Wichita, Derby, Andover, Hayesville, Albany, Goddard, Rose Hill, Kingman, Clearwater, Cheney, Garden Plain, Pretty Prairie, downtown Wichita, Eastboro, Viola, West Wichita, Eisenhower National Airport, East Wichita, McConnell Air Force Base, and South Wichita. This includes the following highways: Interstate 135 between mile markers 0 and 8. Interstate 35 between mile markers 34 and 54.
Okay.
Here's Allen County until 5:30 p.m. At 4:41 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located over Harper, moving east at 25 miles per hour. You can
So
expect
we're watching this storm come
tornado and
into
Dolphins.
Wichita.
Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Butler County until 7 p.m. At 5:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Augusta, moving east at 25 miles per hour. You can expect 2-inch hail and 70 mile per hour wind
Great.
gusts. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include El Dorado, Augusta, Towanda, Leon, Latham, Rosalia, El Dorado Airport, Santa Fe Lake, El Dorado Lake, El Dorado State Park, and Augusta Municipal Airport. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 60 and 78.
Okay.
A severe thunderstorm was located near Wellington, moving east at 20 miles per hour. You can expect 2-inch hail and 60 mile per hour wind gusts. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts.
Okay.
At 5:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles north of Attica, moving east at 25 miles per hour. You can expect 60 mile per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
Not bad.
The warning was based on radar.
Well, I got tornado warnings earlier.
The
This
following
one.
impacts are expected. Hail damage
I
to
confirmed
vehicles
tornado
is
and
expected.
bumper.
Expect wind damage.
Sorry I
Sighting,
canceled
and trees.
early about that.
Locations
Because
impacted
I was
include
concerned.
Harper, Attica, Norwich, Murdoch, Willowdale, Zenda, Spivey, Cleveland, Danville, Freeport, Ruggle, Runnymede, and Crystal Springs. The National Weather Service has issued tornado watch number 429. This watch includes the following counties.
Sure, the most morning.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Cowley County until 8 p.m. At 7:13 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Arkansas City, moving east at 30 miles per hour. You can expect 2-inch hail and 60 mile per hour wind gusts. Source: Broadcast Media. At 7:13
Okay, so
2-inch
confirmed.
hail was reported in Arkansas City. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Arkansas City, Winfield, Dexter, Maple City, and Stropler Field Airport. What? Minor flooding is forecast for southwestern Cowley County, southeastern Sumner County until 8 p.m. At 7:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southwest of Gulf Springs, or 12 miles west of Arkansas City, moving east at 30 miles per hour. You can expect 60 mile per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include South Haven, Gulf Springs, and Honeywell. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 1 and 14. Flood warning.
So these are the warnings we got. Severe, 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 flash flood, tornado watch. Great.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Cowley County, western Chautauqua County, and southeastern Kansas until 8:45 p.m. At 8 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles north of Granola, or 9 miles west of Cedar Vale, moving east at 25 miles per hour. You can expect 60 mile per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cedar Vale, Dexter, and Elgin. Flood warning in effect until 9:30 has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Reno County, central Sedgwick County, northeastern Kingman County until 9:15 p.m. At 8:08 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles north of Cheney, moving east at 25 miles per hour. You can expect ping pong ball-size hail. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Locations impacted
EAS
include Wichita,
compilation.
Valley Center,
It's been a
Goddard,
bit.
Mays, Cheney, Sedgwick, Colwich, Haven, Garden Plain, Mount Hope, Andale, Bentley, West Wichita, located near Garden Plain, moving east at 25 miles per hour. You can expect golf ball size hail and 70 mile per hour wind gusts. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Wichita, Derby, Andover, Hayesville, Park City, Bel Air, Mauldin, Goddard, Rose Hill, Mays, Clearwater, Garden Plain, downtown Wichita, Eastboro, West Wichita, East Wichita, Eisenhower National Airport, Northeast Wichita, McConnell Air Force Base, and South Wichita. This includes the following highways: Interstate 135 between mile markers 0 and 12. Interstate 35 between mile markers 34 and 54. The severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Reno and central Sedgwick counties,
Dear Thunderstorm Watch.
northeast Wichita, and Jabara Airport. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 46 and 54.
Oh, there we go. Dear Thunderstorm Watch.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 431, effective until 4 a.m. Wednesday. This watch includes the following counties: Butler, Cowley,
That's us.
Harper, and Sumner.
Why are they issuing
Remember,
our
a
watch?
severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, both in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Great.